Importing a file into SalesFUSION via an Excel spreadsheet is a very simple 5-step process. To begin this process, you will be using the Import Wizard located under the Marketing tab, Import Wizard. Your very first step here will be to select your Excel spreadsheet file. Please note that it only supports Excel files. You cannot use a CSV or any other type of file. Click on Select and you're going to browse for your file. I'm going to locate mine. Once you've imported your file, it will tell you in the bottom right-hand corner if it has been uploaded successfully. Please note that you are not done. You do have to continue with the remaining steps to complete the import. The next option is, does your first row contain column names? If the first line in your report is first name, last name, title, email, mailing address, you would check this box and SalesFUSION will automatically try to find the appropriate field to map to. Your second option is, does this record already exist, and if so, do you want to overwrite the values? Please note that this is all or nothing. If you have records that already exist in the system and you want to append data to them, you need to check this box. Click on Next and you'll be taken to Step 2. Step 2 is where you're going to be looking at the values and you're going to be choosing what column are they going to be mapped to. So you can see here that my value is an email address, so I'm going to find my email field. It's going to populate it here and I'm free to move on to my next one. My next one is the first name, so I'm going to find my first name field. And then my last value is the last name. If for some reason you have a column in your file that you do not want to import, we do have a do not import, which tells the system to skip importing that column and move on to the next one. So that is an option for you. I'm going to choose last name, and now all of my values, all of my columns have been mapped over. When you are importing subsequent lists, we do have a quick import previous mappings where you can grab previous mappings instead of having to go through them one by one, and click on Import Previous Mappings and it will automatically be populated in. Down here we have Key Column. Key column is how do you want the system to deduplicate by. Most commonly it's through email, where if we find the same exact email we will not create a new record, we will simply append to that record. We also have first name, last name, and account name, where we will deduplicate based on all three. If any one of the three are different, we will create a new record. And then we also have the ability to allow duplicates, so the choice is up to you. For my purpose, I'm going to choose email, and I'm going to click on Next. On this screen, on Step 3, you're going to create a distribution list. Every time you import a list, it either creates a new distribution list or you add to an existing distribution list. So here, I can type in the word training, and I can call this my training list, and say Add to List. You can also add to multiple lists. So if I have an existing list that I want to add to, I can pick it from the drop-down, choose Add to List, and these records will be added to both lists. You also have the ability to remove from a distribution list. So if you are importing a list of customers and you want to take them off a prospect list, you can definitely do so. Click on Next and we'll be going to Step 4. Step 4 is where you can review your information. If you see something that is not correct, you can click on any of the links on Steps 1 through 4 to jump back to that screen and make any modifications. If everything looks good, simply click on Next and it will take you to the confirmation screen where it's telling you your request has been uploaded and you will receive an email notification when it is complete. And that is how you import a basic Excel file into the SalesFUSION system.